Hey everyone, it's Sonya with Shades Daddy, and if you're into bold, futuristic sunglasses, then the Blaze General sunglasses would be perfect for you. The model number is RB3583, and what's really cool about the Blaze collection is that it features a very flat and sleek look. They really keep with that flat look because this is a double bridge style, and the bridge is actually flat, as well as the temple size. They are unisex sunglasses and they're made in Italy. It's a square shaped lens that's 58 millimeters and it has a 16 millimeter bridge and a 145 millimeter temple size. It comes in 6 different colors. This specific one is the gold green classic, and that model is 9050/71. If you guys like the Blaze General sunglasses, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you're thinking about purchasing these sunglasses. As always, the link is in the description box, so be sure to visit shadesdaddy.com and get you a pair of super cool Blaze General sunglasses today.